P0161 code. That's O2 sensor circuit range, performance bank 2 sensor 2. Your car's computer is basically saying, the oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter on bank 2 isn't reading what I expect. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite bank 1 on V6, V8 engines, and sensor 2 is the downstream O2 sensor after the catalytic converter. This is a downstream O2 sensor, so it doesn't control fuel like the upstream sensor, but it's still important for monitoring catalytic converter performance. Step 1. Check for exhaust leaks. Leaks before or near the sensor can let extra air in, causing the sensor to read incorrectly. Inspect the exhaust system around the catalytic converter and sensor. Step 2. Inspect the sensor and wiring. Look for damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or oil soot contamination. Wiggle the connector while the engine is running. If the code triggers, you've likely found the problem. Step 3. Test the sensor. You can use a multimeter or scan tool to check the sensor's voltage response. For a downstream O2 sensor, voltage should fluctuate slowly, but stay within a certain range. A flat line or erratic reading indicates a problem. Step 4. Check the catalytic converter. Since this sensor monitors converter efficiency, a failing converter can trigger P0161. If the upstream O2 sensors are healthy and wiring is good, consider checking back pressure or performing a converter efficiency test. Step 5. Replace sensor if necessary. Most of the time, it's the sensor itself. They wear out over time. Make sure to get the correct one for your engine. Replace, reconnect, and clear the code. Quick checklist for P0161. Inspect for exhaust leaks near bank 2. Check O2 sensor connector and wiring. Test sensor voltage with scan tool or multimeter. Evaluate catalytic converter efficiency. Replace sensor if readings are out of spec. Most of the time, it's just a worn sensor or wiring issue, not the converter itself. Do these checks in order and you can often fix it yourself. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.